Hello, Kevin here again. In this short video, we're going to show how to create messages or message definitions that your devices will be sending. We'll click on Studio, then we'll click on Device Message Types. We'll go in and add a new one. In this case, we're going to add two message types that will be received by our system. The first is a motion message. What we've done is we've defined the name, we've defined a key which can be used in some scripting. We've also defined the message ID. The message ID is the thing that will be looked for in any incoming messages to uniquely identify this message. In this case, we're going to create it as an incoming message. We're going to say that this message will send a JSON format. We'll go ahead and add the field for it. And this is going to be a very simple one, motion. We're going to look for it in the actual message body. So the content of the message will have a field in it called motion. The type will be Boolean, and same thing over here. This will be a true-false type of storage type. So in this case, we're saying that we're looking for the motion field within the message body. The incoming value will be true-false, and we'll store it in our system as true-false. We'll say that it's required, and we're going to be looking for motion as the element within our message. We're not going to use a regex value selector here, so we'll go ahead and save that, and then we can save our message. Next one we're going to add is temperature message. And in this case, the message ID will be temperature. So again, the actual message ID is the thing that we look for any incoming set of characters that the message will be identifying how it will be sending itself. We'll be looking in the incoming direction, and this is going to be also a JSON one, and we'll go in and add a simple field on here called temperature. We'll look in the body. Message field type in this case is going to be a floating point number, and we're going to store it as a decimal number. It's going to be required, and again, in this case, our path is temperature. We'll save that, and we can save that. So again, just as a quick review here, we've created two messages. One that will be looking for motion messages coming in, and the second one will be looking for temperature messages coming in. The motion message will pass a JSON field called motion, and temperature message will pass a field called temperature.